If you love hands-on espresso, today's countdown is for you. We're breaking down the best manual lever espresso machine picks, from portable presses to heirloom-worthy levers you'll want on display. If something catches your eye, you can explore it further through the links in the video description. In fifth place, we have the Flair Neo Flex Lever Espresso Maker. This lightweight manual brewer is all about approachable espresso without plugging in, using a lever system that targets 6 to 9 bar, right in the sweet spot for proper extraction. The updated design adds an integrated pressure gauge for live feedback and a thinner brew cylinder that removes the need for preheating, so beginners can jump right in and travelers can keep their workflow simple. You also get flexibility with 2 portafilter options, the red flow control basket to tame tricky grinds, and a bottomless 2-in-1 portafilter for dialing in like a pro. Built on a durable poly frame that keeps weight down for camping or vacation, it cleans up easily thanks to a patented removable brew head that rinses under cool water. A small caveat, the plastic frame can creak under lever pressure and won't feel as rock solid as metal machines. Still, with a 1-year frame warranty and 6 months on wear parts, it's an easy first step into real pressure-driven espresso at home or on the go. Coming in at number 4 is the Flair Classic Lever Espresso Maker. Designed for those who want complete control, it pairs 60 milliliters of boiled water with up to 18 grams of coffee to yield a focused 40 milliliter shot. Its lever generates 6 to 9 bar, and the included pressure gauge helps you hit and hold your target through the pull, while a stainless steel tamper supports a tidy, repeatable puck prep. Built from cast aluminum with a stainless steel brewing head, the Classic prioritizes durability and backs core components with a 3-year warranty. Cleanup is quick. Detach the brew head and give it a rinse, then pack everything into the padded carrying case when you're heading out. The trade-off for this level of control is a more deliberate routine. It performs best with a quality burr grinder and attention to preheating. If you enjoy a mindful, methodical shot ritual at home or while traveling, the Classic delivers consistency and longevity in a compact footprint. At number 3, you'll find the SUPERKOP Lever Espresso Machine. This fully manual brewer leans into craftsmanship and stability with a powder-coated aluminum shell, steel internals, and a polished stainless steel lever paired with a 58mm portafilter, familiar territory for enthusiasts who already own standard baskets and tools. A polycarbonate water cup holds 60 milliliters at about 203 degrees Fahrenheit without requiring preheating, and it's tuned for up to 18 grams of coffee, making it a natural fit for robust double shots. Unlike single, forceful presses on some levers, SUPERKOP uses a 1 to 40 displacement mechanism that builds pressure gradually over 5 to 6 lever strokes. The pneumatic spring returns the lever smoothly, and a safety valve releases at 20 bars for peace of mind. With no electronics to descale or heaters to service, maintenance is essentially a rinse of the portafilter and water cup, and lifetime product support underscores its long-term appeal. Expect a learning curve. Consistent results reward careful tamping and technique. For users who value tactile control and a distinctive furniture-grade presence, it's a compelling manual centerpiece. Taking the second spot is the Pavoni Esperto Edotto Espresso Machine. It pairs old-world materials and display-worthy design with a hands-on lever workflow. You're greeted by carved wood accents set against brass and copper, a combination that feels more like a functional sculpture than a countertop appliance. In the box, you get 2 portafilters, a standard portafilter that accepts single or double filters, and a dedicated bottomless 2-in-1 portafilter with its own fit-specific filter. A solid stainless steel tamper completes the toolkit. The machine layout is straightforward. A start button, metal drip tray with removable plastic insert for easy cleaning, and a clear water tube that shows boiler fill level. Stop at halfway for a few shots or up to the top line if you're pulling multiple back-to-back. Pressure gauges help confirm readiness, and a wood-handled steam wand lets you texture milk for cappuccinos and lattes. The boiler cap adds to the ceremony, and the top wood detail ties the look together. One practical note, the boiler opening is fairly narrow, so a gooseneck kettle makes filling much easier. If you want lever expressiveness with steam on tap, wrapped in classic materials, this machine makes every session feel special. And finally, at number 1, the Flair Pro 3 Lever Espresso Maker. Built for enthusiasts who want maximum flexibility, it accommodates up to 24 grams of coffee with 70 milliliters of hot water and can produce shots as large as 56 milliliters, supporting brew ratios from 1:1 to 3:1. A custom pressure gauge with an espresso zone between 6 and 9 bars keeps you keyed in during the pull, while the upgraded thin cylinder improves workflow without preheating. The integrated shot mirror and funnel are thoughtful touches for consistency, especially if you're chasing clarity with lighter roasts. Constructed from stainless steel and cast aluminum, the Pro 3 adds an upgraded base, post, and lever for rock-steady operation, and it packs neatly into a precision carrying case for travel. A 5-year warranty on key components underscores its build quality. The caveat is the learning curve. Dialing grind, tamp, and shot profile takes patience and a few extra tools. But for users who crave fine-grained control and repeatability, the Pro 3 rewards the effort with cafe-caliber results. To recap, our picks were the Flair Neo Flex for approachable portability, the Flair Classic for travel-friendly control, the SUPERKOP for crafted, durable mechanics, the Pavoni Esperto Edotto for lever elegance with steam, and the Flair Pro 3 for top-tier manual precision. If you found this helpful, give it a like, subscribe for more coffee gear guides, and tap the bell so you don't miss the next breakdown. You can find everything mentioned today through the links in the description whenever you're ready to dive deeper.